requested and designed, and our girl Lisa from Temp-tations is here to fulfill the request. So what you're looking at is an etched glass top, fully assembled when it arrives at the front porch or the side door. Collapsible kitchen cart. Now normally how you can wheel your dessert bar into the dining room, take the dirty dishes back into the kitchen, would have been $165. So only till the end of the night, even though the event just started, this special one day only is only valid until the end of the evening, where we turned $165 into $112, saving you over $50. 6 easy payments of $18 gets it home. Lisa is actually playing with one color, but there's going to be 4 of them to choose from. And they all can either hold weight on the top, the glass top, and at the same time, hold weight on the bottom shelf.
Isn't this amazing?
Yes.
So much fun. And you're right, came from customer requests. So
good job, customers.
Yeah, good job, customers is right. So we had our wood baker's rack. We had our powder coated steel corner rack. Now we have our glass etched top cart. Everyone wanted glass. You know, like your grandmother used to have, and it sat in the corner. It was so beautiful and elegant. What we did was we added that beautiful old world or floral lace pattern. Now I'm going to tip it.
Okay.
Can I borrow that piece of paper?
You sure
like
can,
I was
because we're going to go over colors, and that way you can see it a little bit better.
Do you see when we put that behind there how gorgeous that is? We're right there. We mix the old world and the floral lace pattern. So pretty, so you don't have to choose.
Stunning.
Absolutely gorgeous.
If you want this color that you're looking at, and again, you only save the over $50 if you grab it before the end of the evening, this is the one that we call white.
Yes.
I am a lover of a white kitchen. I always will be. I always have.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Right.
And then next to that, these are all the home decor colors. So we did the great white because we know you might want to use it in a baby's room or a sunroom. How about classic black?
Okay.
Right, whether it's in an office or whether you want to pop it in your family room, that's perfect.
Okay, do I need to do this for black? No? Yes, maybe?
Can you see underneath there? Let's do that. If we can show the top, if you don't mind, so you can actually see what the pattern looks like. That's where you see the pattern come to life, and it's just so much easier if we put a piece of paper underneath, but that's what the black will look like in your home.
So if you collect floral, lace, or old world, it's going to work.
Sure.
Now this is a neat brown. It's very much like a bronzy brown, a toffee brown.
Isn't it so pretty? This is perfect. So if you're looking for that wood look in your home that will just coordinate with all the different woods that you have in your house, this is a great choice for you.
And again, call it brown, and then blue.
Love that. So this is that bright pop of royal blue. This was a huge customer request to do this color. And of course, if you're a Temp-tationista and you've been collecting Temp-tations, these will look perfect to display all of your stoneware. If you're new to Temp-tations, what a great way to try.
Well, you know what? You have that savings just to the end of the night. Even more importantly, if you plan on doing a lot of shopping in this 26-hour event, you have an $18 payment plan that helps to get it home. So I always call this furniture. I mean, it's a cart, it's a piece of furniture.
That's right.
So right off the bat, I'm wondering, okay, is it going to take me a day, a minute to get together? What's the plan here?
Yeah, exactly. So this is exactly how it's going to come out of your cart, ready to go, ready to be assembled. And let's check this out. Over here, it's just under 5 inches. Why did we do that? Well, if you can store an ironing board, you can store this, like that little space next to your refrigerator. That's just the perfect space. Here's what you're going to do when you get it home. You're just literally going to open it up. You're going to pop these 2 shelves down. You're going to flip that gorgeous glass top right there. Now, if you see on the side right here, there's little locking mechanisms right there. So all you're going to do is swing it up, and you're going to lock it into place. Now let's go top to bottom so I can show it to you.
Okay.
That beautiful etched glass on the top. This can hold 60 pounds.
I could put a KitchenAid on top of this.
Yeah, like a KitchenAid mixer. You can put your Cuisinart, you can put your Keurig, things like that. But listen, that is gorgeous glass. Love it. What we did was we did that beautiful hand painting underneath so that nothing's going to scratch the top of it. Then let's come down to the other 2 shelves, Amy, because you still have 2 more shelves of storage. So right here, this is awesome because it's powder coated steel. That's what makes this lightweight, under 20 pounds, but makes it super durable as well. This shelf can hold 30 pounds, and then we still have another shelf at the bottom. 30 pounds, so 120-pound capacity. Then let's come all the way down to the wheels so that I can show you, and I'll come up to this front wheel. You see how they swivel, however you need them to go, but they also lock, so that if you want to keep them in place, like let's say this is going to be my bar for the evening, just perfect. So kind of everything you need, and to your point, a piece of furniture, but a portable piece of furniture.
Well, and when you think about it, I find that this time of year, with our event, of course, we're thinking about getting healthier meals on the table and getting stronger, more active.
Yeah.
It always happens in the new year. But if you're anything like myself, you're also trying to organize and do all the fixer-uppers all in this month. Like, how can I move this in the dining room? How can I change this in the kitchen? And this is a great item that will allow you really to do many creative things when it comes to entertaining or reorganizing your own kitchen. And today's the day where you get to take over $50 off the original price. It used to be $165. Only to the end of the night is at $112, and you have that wonderful $18 payment plan. So this is the black that you have turned into a bar and a little appetizer station.
So I love this because when you're entertaining, the fact that you can use this inside, you can use this outside. This is counter height because it's 36 inches. So I've never met a person yet that said, I have so much space in my kitchen, I have empty cabinets, right?
Oh gosh.
Said no one ever, right? So the fact that now you have 3 extra shelves that you can literally just butt up against the end of your cabinet is perfect. Right. So because this holds 60 pounds and this is glass, it's perfect for like wine bottles and things like that.
Love that.
But then I love that you have appetizers because you could literally put a Temp-tations baker right out of the oven onto here, no worries at all. And then look how pretty, like you could leave this out as a piece of furniture. To your point,
wonderful.
Store your wine underneath.
Love it. Okay, what did we do over here with the brown that's very much a bronze?
I love this because we literally turned this into a workstation. So again, I love this that if it's a beautiful sunny day, you want to go outside, perfect. You can wheel this right outside.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Isn't that fun? If you want to move it into the kitchen or leave it up in your office and you just don't want to invest in a desk because a desk has one use. It's a desk. This you can use when you have company coming over, fold up your laptop, put it away, and use it for something else.
Okay, so you saw black, you saw brown. This is the white option. And are we already kind of going into St. Patrick's Day a little bit over here? I'm feeling a little green vibe.
You love this. And by the way, you know, white kitchens are such the rage now, right? So
They're
pop
gorgeous.
a little bit white and gray and those bronze colors. Pop a little bit of white in your kitchen. I love the fact that, yeah, maybe you're having the girls over for tea or your mom. You can literally just wheel this right into whatever room, the family room, the living room, the dining room. Because of that great wheel system, this is portable.
You know, I'm looking at all of this. This, I'm sure, you know, has hot water in it, or it's already brewed and it's hot tea. If you let your eyes travel down, there's a lot of scones. This is a lot of girlfriends coming over, or you're like me and you want seconds. There's cookies. How in the world would you have carried all of that into another room? You know, I just love that everything is on the cart and you don't have to worry about spilling something hot or dropping something heavy that could crumble all over the carpet.
I love that. And this is like a showpiece. You automatically, your eyes automatically came to this.
Yes.
Imagine that in your dining room. You're like, wow.
You know, and I just want to remind everyone there's a blue, not that we have to see them in order, but you haven't seen the blue in a while. So there's a white, a black, a brown that's very much like a fun bronzy brown, and then there is that perfect kitchen blue. Only to the end of the night do you take $53 off of what this normally costs at QVC.
That's amazing.
And you have that $18 payment plan. Plus, don't forget it folds up. You know, it's a good time to say, okay, today I'm doing my baking, but I'm not going to bake again until next Sunday.
Yes.
So then put the KitchenAid somewhere else and fold it all up and move it into a little closet or a nook.
Yeah, so I love it for things like the KitchenAid mixer, you know, all your utensils at the ready. Right next door to you, Amy, I think is so much fun, right? To have it as all your plants because you can literally water and the water can go right below here, go right through here, no worries at all.
You know what? Let me show you the colors before we wrap up. Take advantage of the easy pay, of the savings, and whether it will stay out all the time or it's your special occasion, extra helping hand, it's the glass top that makes it so elegant and beautiful. Here's the blue. Here's the brown that is very much a bronze, the black, and the white, and you only have to the end of the night for that 1 day only savings.
Love.
Lisa will be back with a set of 4 oval bakers, all nested together at a wonderful, wonderful price, so don't go anywhere. But Mary Beth would love to show you that air fryer she mentioned earlier, because it's time.
It's time to eat. Hey, by the way, there's a 1 day only value coming up in flatware from Lennox as well. But right now, imagine you could get your air fryer, get it at a sale price, which is $25 less than QVC's price.